And the race on, bunch of horses fighting it out for the state witness, down on the inside, rushing up Siskimas. In between runners is Lealtad, running in fourth is Mikey's Baby Pot alongside his to I bring her train, under father outside King Chodor, Ula Juwon and Blue Seal, two runners fighting it out for the lead. Number 7, Lealtad. There's a problem from number 10, Chiskemas. Lealtad by about 2 lines, followed by State Witness. Mikey is running in third by Darrell as they race the final corner. Lealtad by half a length, followed by State Witness on the outside. Lealtad, State Witness on the outside. State Witness rushing up to grab the lead. And finally, State Witness, Lealtad, Mikey's Baby Pot, Y to Y, Fenta Fecta.
6741.